Tailscale versus Reverse Proxy. In today's video, we are going to compare Tailscale with Reverse Proxy. So let's get started. So the first one is Tailscale. It is a zero trust VPN based on WireGuard that allows you to securely access private networks without exposing services to the internet. The next thing is it is best for private secure access to internal resources. Now, let's talk about Reverse Proxy. Reverse Proxy is an engine for traffic or Caddy manages and route web traffic for public-facing application, providing access control, load balancing, and SSL termination. If we talk about their security, Tailscale is more secure because it hides services from the internet, while a reverse proxy requires proper configuration to prevent attacks. When choosing between them, pick Tailscale if you need secure private access without opening ports. Pick a reverse proxy if you need to host and manage a public-facing web application. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.